Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2015 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 High Country. Comes equipped with a 5.3 liter V8 engine paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as premium leather, heated and cooled seats, power sliding sunroof, tonneau cover, navigation, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, we're going to have this brown interior with paneling cup holder storage on the bottom. Equipped with the Bose speaker sound system. Comes up to the power locks, mirrors, and windows with your seat memory and wooden chrome accents. You also get these chrome running boards here and these power adjustable, heated and ventilated leather seats. A high country stitch. And left side will be your integrated brake controller with your 2- and 4-wheel and lighting control. Left side of the steering wheel will be your cruise control, forward collision alert, and heated steering wheel. With the right side being your voice recognition and odometer cluster control. You can access all of your vehicle information, including your trip info, your gauges, and as well as your audio, phone connectivity, navigation, and other settings. So you have the classic key, classic column truck shifter, and onto the infotainment equipped with Bluetooth connectivity, AM/FM radio, as well as you got built-in navigation, as well as a CD player. And below that will be your dual zone climate controls, with power adjustable pedals, lane departure warning, and park assist. With 3 USB ports, 2 12 volts, and an AC wall port there. Lots of extra center console storage, more storage inside, with an SD card reader and 2 more USB ports. And the passenger side, same finish, power adjustable, heated and ventilated, that high country stitch. Double glove box, speakers and vents up top, and then here you can access your reading lamps, as well as your power sliding sunroof. See these 20-inch chromed aluminum wheels on Goodyear Eagle tires with the high country badging, chromed mirror caps and door handles. The sidebars here, as well as a backflip tri-folding tonneau cover, famous quarter step bumpers, fifth wheel and trainer hitch at the bottom. As well as you got your bed tie-downs inside. It's a pretty spacious rear. And onto the rear interior, again more paneling and storage, next to the speaker, built-in cup holder and power window. Hop in the back, pretty decent legroom, storage behind the passenger and driver's side with some extra storage and a 12 volt. You got armrest and cup holder at the bottom, seats fold up for more storage, a power rear sliding window with lamps up top and the handles on the side. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet. We checked out this 2015 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 High Country, equipped with a 5.3 liter V8 engine, as well as premium leather heated and cooled seats, power sliding sunroof, tonneau cover, navigation, 20-inch wheels, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see Wolfe Chevrolet very soon.